How to write the perfect business plan. This is the fourth of 4 standalone videos in which I explain in detail the 10 steps you have to follow to write the perfect business plan. In the previous 3 videos, I shared the first 6 steps. 1. Fundamental knowledge you need to know. 2. Mission and goals. 3. Executive summary and business strategy. 4. The structure and strategy. 5. The logistics. 6. Marketing strategies. If you haven't watched these videos yet, I put the link in the description below. Instead, in this video, I'll focus your attention on the last 4 steps. Market trends and timing, funding and financials, financial forecasting, and the last one, presenting the plan. As I did in the previous videos, I'll make things simple to let you write these following sections as quickly and efficiently as possible. My name is Max Cecco, and I help you become a high-paid infopreneur by sharing my 12-year knowledge and experience, helping professionals and small business owners create their personal brand online and sell information products and services. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I suggest you subscribe right now and turn the notification on. If you tap on the like button, you will contribute to spreading my message to people like you. So, thank you. Step number 7. Market trends and timing. Knowing your market and its trends are crucial for your business plan. In this section, you have to discuss how your business can be affected by the competition, the market, the industry, the government, international affairs, and other market factors. Indeed, readers are more concerned with how your business interacts with the other elements or outside forces, and how those interactions currently and in the future will affect your business's potential for making money. You absolutely need to discuss your pricing strategy. Pricing may be part of your marketing plan, or it may be a standalone subsection in your business plan. Here are some suggestions. You need to know how much it costs to deliver your products and/or services to customers. Be sure to take all costs into account, from raw materials to shipping costs, from office rents or leases to taxes, from payroll to advertising, from lawyer fees to construction. You need to understand your competition's pricing and customer perceptions. How much does the competition charge for the same or similar products or services? How did your competitors arrive at their pricing strategies? Be prepared to explain your price, why you choose it, and how it will benefit profits and/or business longevity. There will always be a market segment willing to pay for nothing more than prestige. Some questions for you. Do you offer discounts? If so, how much and under what conditions? How about your return policy? How are returns handled? Is there a time limit on returns? Do you offer a product or service warranty? If so, what are the terms? If the pricing strategy is crucial, the timing of your entry into the market is essential as well. Indeed, your market entry should be more about the customer than about you. Are your clients ready for your business? Would your clients be more likely to buy your product or service during winter or summer? You should check existing data on customer spending patterns. Let's talk about product design and packaging. Indeed, many clients will make their decisions based on packaging design. The physical appearance of your product or the way you introduce your service is your first chance to make an impression on consumers. So, what are your competitors using? Is it working? Changing your product packaging design can sometimes cause more confusion than changing your product name. The first impression is always fundamental. In this section of your business plan, you can talk about brand positioning, or if you prefer, you can include this topic in the marketing section. Keep in mind that positioning guides all your marketing efforts, and this is why it is crucial to define it from the beginning. There is a lot to cover regarding positioning yourself, your products, and your services. Indeed, you can find 2 fundamental videos on my YouTube channel. I put the link to these videos in the description below. Step number 8. Funding and financials. The financials need to sell the business by the numbers. The financials tell you how much you need for funding, and funding relates back to how much profit there is in the financials. Your numbers in the financials section need to reflect the text in other areas of your business plan. Financials are the first sections read especially from numbers guys. By putting it near the end, you increase the chance of readers looking through the whole plan. Some plans include the financials section as a standalone document so that they might control when and under what circumstances readers see the information. Most plans include information about how much money is needed to operate the business, how borrowed funds will be used, how much and how company funds will be used, how much money is needed in the future, the break-even point, current and past spending. You should include these documents: use of funds, cash flow statement, income projection, break-even analysis, balance sheet, business financial history or loan application if applicable. In addition, because starting up a new business involves many one-time costs, it is also helpful to include a startup budget. A startup budget should include expenses such as utility deposits, major equipment, down payments, legal and professional fees, permits and licenses and contractor services. Before closing step number 8, let me point out some aspects about the types of funding you have to know. Access to other people's money. There are many ways to finance a business, and most financing falls into two categories: equity financing and non-equity financing. Equity financing is where you give up partial ownership of your business in exchange for funding. Non-equity financing is where you agree to pay back funding provided to you from others, plus interest. Financing may also incorporate a combination of the two. Non-equity funding are provided by banks, credit unions, loan and finance companies, United States Small Business Administration, community development companies, and life insurance companies. Equity funding are provided by friends and family, private investors, and venture capital firms. Step number 9. Financial forecasting. I want to be honest, as always. This is a broad topic that I'm not able of discussing deeply, so it requires professionals to be able to do it, and I don't have the right skills. By the way, I want to mention 4 important documents you should include in this section of your business plan. Document number 1. Cash flow statement. Money comes in and money goes out. The difference between the two is your profit or loss. Put it all on a paper along with a timeline and you have a basic cash flow statement. This means you put down how much money you expect from whom and when, and how much money you will need to pay out to whom and when. Document number 2. Balance sheet. A balance sheet is a balance of your company's finances. Assets are anything of monetary value owned by the business. Liability are company debts. Net worth is capital, the worth of your equity as owner. A positive net worth means assets outweigh liabilities. A negative net worth means liabilities outweigh assets. Document number 3. Income statement. The income statement reveals your business profitability at a set point in time. What your business has spent is combined with what your business has brought in to tell you whether you made money or not. Preparation of the income statement is best done on a monthly and yearly basis. In simple terms, it answers this question. Are you making money? Document number 4. Break-even analysis. A break-even analysis answers the question of how much your business will need to sell in order to cover its costs. The break-even point is the dream of any entrepreneur. It is the beginning of stability. You should create a document, the break-even diagram, to represent this situation. Now, let's switch to the final step of the business plan. Step number 10. Presenting the plan. Your first impression counts, so let me give you some guidelines for a good-looking plan. Use white or very light-colored paper. Margins should be at least 1 inch all the way around. No more than 2 font styles. Page should be printed on one side only. The entire document should be single-spaced with double spaces between paragraphs. Use bulleted points wherever you can. Be consistent with formatting tables, graphs, charts, titles, and section headings. Include a table of contents at the beginning and an index at the end. Regarding the length, I suggest staying between 20 and 40 pages. Keep in mind that business plans are meant to be seen. You will need to show the plan to someone. The presentation of your business plan should be a business meeting, a formal presentation. Investors pay attention to every single small detail. You may choose to deliver the entire message yourself, or you might be better served using a team approach, for instance, with the appropriate managers discussing different sections. Be sure to explain what a business plan is and how it should be used, why you are showing it, and what to expect listeners to do with it. Another important recommendation is to support your message with slides. Visual elements are crucial to delivering a great message to an audience. This is why I highly suggest you watch this video: how to create a good slideshow presentation. I will reveal my 5-step process to build slide presentations. I have been using slide presentations since 2009 in live events, to present online courses, to teach stuff in my online courses as well. They helped my audience better understand the concepts I was talking about and increased the level of attention. So, watch it now!